let me take you on a quick journey into the world of numismatic legends. Specifically, the story of the 1907 proof peso from the US-Philippine series. Now, if you're a coin collector, you've probably heard whispers about this one. If you're new, buckle up, because this coin really is the stuff of legend. So, let's set the scene. It's 1907. The Philippines are under US administration, and the Philadelphia Mint is busy churning out pesos. But here's the kicker. While thousands of business strike coins rolled off those presses, only 2 proof pesos exist. That's right, just 2. These weren't for pockets. They were showpieces, crafted to perfection, with the highest quality finish the mint could muster. But what makes them so captivating isn't just rarity. It's their role as experimental coins. Each proof was struck with slightly different specs. Here's the breakdown. The first proof, seen by most collectors, is finer and smaller. It's 0.900 fine silver with a reduced 35 mm diameter. This prototype set the final standard. The second, a midway experiment, locked away at the Bangko Central ng Pilipinas Money Museum in Manila. Let's talk design. It's stunning. The obverse shows the Philippine coat of arms under US rule. United States of America, arched up top, 1907 at the bottom. The reverse features an allegorical Filipina, strong, elegant, hammer in hand, striking an anvil. Mount Mayon erupting in the distance. Now, the auction drama. In 2018, the privately owned 1907 proof peso hit the block at Stack's Bowers during the ANA World's Fair of Money. People knew it was special, but when the hammer fell, a record-shattering $960,000. Nearly $1 million for one coin. Legendary collectors have owned it. George W. Innes, Dr. Greg P. With, a few other numismatic VIPs before the 2018 splash. It's called the King of Philippine Coins. So whether you're into coins, history, or a good auction story, the 1907 proof peso is a reminder. Sometimes the rarest treasures aren't just valuable, they're chapters in a much bigger story. Thanks for joining this quick dive into numismatic royalty. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and tell me which legendary coin to cover next.